This here's a 2002 Ford F-350, white in color. Be the Lariat edition. Looking at the tires on the front. Looks like they got brand new tires on the front. Right here just showing that it's the F-350 Lariat Super Duty. Right here showing that it's the Power Stroke Diesel V8. And then also Edge products. Going around on the inside now, you've got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. On the steering wheel, it comes with the cruise control on the steering wheel on both sides. Right here just showing on, it's got 169,230 miles. It's got an aftermarket JVC CD player. Right here is a module as well, already hooked up and plugged in. Also down here comes with a USB import as well, showing that it's the leather interior. Stitching on the seat of the driver and passenger is the Lariat symbol. Also has the heated seats and power seats as well. Looking in the back side, in the back cab now, got the leather interior that's still in good condition. Cup holders in the middle, along with the power window option on both of the back doors on both sides. Looking at the back tires, still got good tread left on the back tires. On the back, you've got the hitch capability as well, along with both outlets for trailer brake hookup or for trailer light hookup. Comes with the backup sensors as well. Once again, this is a 2002 Ford F-350 Lariat V8 Power Stroke.